Hey guys, today I will show you how to open the map in Monster Hunter World. Opening the map is essential for navigation, tracking monsters, and planning where to go next during a hunt. On PC, press the M key to open the map. Once the map is open, you can zoom in and out, place waypoints, and check monster locations if they are tracked. You can also use the map to fast travel to unlocked camps by selecting them directly. If you are in town, opening the map lets you check the key locations like the smithy, canteen, and your room. Quick tip, you can choose what information to show on the map by pressing the Q and E on your keyboard. This is especially helpful if you're trying to locate specific resources on the map. And that is how to open the map in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.